Picture this. You're at the beach, the sun is blazing, and the sand beneath your feet is scorching hot. That simple, annoying sensation actually holds the key to a revolutionary energy breakthrough. What if I told you that same coarse, gritty sand could power your home? Welcome to the fascinating world of thermal energy storage, where ordinary materials like sand, water, and even rocks are being transformed into high-capacity batteries for the future. The concept behind thermal batteries is beautifully simple. Instead of storing electricity chemically like lithium-ion batteries, TES systems store energy as heat. Here's how it works. Electricity, ideally from renewable sources like solar or wind, runs through a heating element embedded in a storage medium, say a giant tank of sand. The sand absorbs and retains that heat incredibly well, acting like a thermal battery. When you need energy later, the system releases that stored heat to warm your home or provide hot water. It's like preheating an oven and using that residual warmth hours later, but on a much larger, more sophisticated scale. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel with the bell notification turned on for more videos. Now, why sand? That beach example wasn't just for fun. Sand has some remarkable physical properties that make it perfect for this application. First, it has low specific heat, meaning it heats up quickly and efficiently. Second, it's dense, allowing it to store large amounts of thermal energy in a relatively compact space. Unlike chemical batteries that degrade over time, sand batteries maintain their effectiveness for decades with virtually no maintenance. They can reach temperatures exceeding 500 degrees Celsius and still retain over 90% of the energy you put into them. Perhaps most importantly, sand is abundant, non-toxic, and completely non-flammable, a dream material for safe, sustainable energy storage. The commercial potential of this technology is already being proven. Finnish company Polar Night Energy made headlines with their first commercial sand battery installation in 2022. Their system, a massive steel silo filled with 100 tons of sand, can store 8 megawatts of thermal energy, enough to power about 10,000 people. The success of this industrial-scale application has sparked interest in bringing the technology down to residential size, and this is where things get really exciting for homeowners. Latvian startup Batsand is pioneering home-scale sand battery systems. Their approach involves installing an underground sand tank, similar to a septic tank, that connects to your home's heating system. Even their smallest unit measures about 40 cubic meters, roughly the size of a small swimming pool, and can store an impressive 10,680 kilowatt-hours of thermal energy. That's enough to heat a 300 to 400 square meter home, while working in tandem with a solar panel array. The system achieves remarkable efficiency, storing energy at 92% efficiency and releasing it at 94% efficiency, according to company reports. But let's address the elephant in the room. Why haven't we been using this seemingly obvious solution all along? The answer lies in some fundamental physics and practical considerations. Thermal energy storage follows basic thermodynamic principles. Larger masses retain heat better and lose it more slowly. This is why commercial systems work so well at massive scales, but becomes challenging when trying to shrink them down for residential use. There's also the space factor. Most homeowners don't have room for a multi-ton sand tank in their backyard without some serious excavation work. Cost has been another significant barrier. While the raw materials, like sand, are cheap, the installation and system components add up. Batsand's residential system costs about €7,200, $7,700 for the unit itself, but with installation the price jumps to around €17,000, $19,000. That's a substantial investment. Though government incentives like the US Inflation Reduction Act's 30% tax credit for energy storage systems are helping to offset these costs. The efficiency numbers, however, are truly impressive and help justify the investment. Thermal batteries consistently achieve round-trip efficiency, RTE rates above 90%, meaning nearly all the energy you put in comes back out as usable heat. To put this in perspective, lithium-ion batteries typically offer about 90% RTE for electricity storage, while lead-acid batteries lag behind at around 70%. When it comes specifically to heating applications, DES systems are currently unmatched in their efficiency. What makes this technology particularly relevant today is its perfect alignment with the renewable energy transition. As more homes install solar panels, the challenge becomes storing excess energy for when the sun isn't shining. While lithium-ion batteries are great for electricity storage, they're not ideal for handling the massive energy demands of home heating. This is where thermal batteries fill a crucial gap in our renewable energy infrastructure. The implications are profound. Imagine a future where your home's heating comes from solar-powered sand batteries, providing consistent, sustainable warmth without relying on fossil fuels. Companies like Batsand are making this vision a reality today, proving that sometimes the solutions to our most complex energy challenges can be found in the simplest of materials, like the sand beneath our feet. As this technology continues to develop and costs decrease, we may soon see sand batteries becoming as commonplace as solar panels on homes across the world. The real magic happens when we see how thermal energy storage fits into our everyday lives. Right now, keeping our homes warm guzzles an astonishing amount of energy. In the US, heating alone eats up over 30% of residential power, with another 13% going to water heating. That's nearly half of all home energy just to avoid being cold. Traditional solutions like gas furnaces or electric heaters are energy vampires, and while lithium-ion batteries help store electricity, they're not built to handle the massive energy demands of heating. This is where thermal storage steps in as the perfect solution. When we pair thermal batteries with renewable energy like solar panels, we create a complete, sustainable heating system. Picture this. Solar panels generate electricity during sunny days. Some of that power heats up your thermal battery, whether it's sand, water, or another material. Then at night or during cloudy periods, that stored heat keeps your home cozy and your showers hot. Meanwhile, a smaller lithium-ion battery can handle your other electrical needs. It's a beautifully efficient system where each technology plays to its strengths. We know this works because we've seen it in action. Take the Drake Landing Solar Community in Alberta, Canada. Not exactly the tropics, yet they achieved something remarkable. Using solar-powered thermal storage, they met 96% of their heating needs in 2012, and by 2016, they hit 100%. Their secret was storing summer heat underground for winter use. Now companies are bringing similar technology to individual homes. For example, Netherlands-based Newton Energy Solutions makes the NE-Store, which looks like a regular water heater, but acts as a thermal battery. Their smaller model can store enough heat to provide 15 to 20 hot showers, all from stored energy. One of the most exciting developments is how thermal storage works with heat pumps. Heat pumps are incredibly efficient. They deliver 300 to 400% more heat energy than the electrical energy they consume. But they struggle in extreme cold. This is where thermal storage shines. It can store heat when electricity is cheap or abundant, then supplement heat pumps during cold snaps. Together they solve multiple problems, reducing strain on the electrical grid, maximizing renewable energy use, providing backup heating during outages, and lowering overall energy costs. Of course, thermal storage isn't perfect for everything. While it's fantastic at storing and releasing heat, converting that heat back into electricity isn't as efficient. You only get about 50 to 70% of the energy back, compared to 90% with lithium-ion batteries. That's why the smartest home systems use thermal storage for heating, lithium-ion batteries for electricity, and solar panels for generation. Each technology does what it does best. Cost is still a consideration. While basic thermal storage units start around $5,000 to $6,000, more comprehensive systems can approach $19,000 installed. But with government incentives like the US Inflation Reduction Act's 30% tax credit, these systems are becoming more accessible. As prices continue to drop and technology improves, we're looking at a future where thermal storage could become as common as solar panels are today. What we're seeing is the beginning of a quiet revolution in home energy. As more people adopt solar panels, the next logical step is efficient, renewable-powered heating. Thermal storage provides the missing piece, a way to keep our homes warm using clean energy, even when the sun isn't shining. It's not flashy technology, but it might just be one of the most important tools we have for creating truly sustainable homes. The future of home energy isn't just about generating power. It's about storing heat smartly, and that future is already here.